Breathe, reflect. May the Buddha guide you well.
Hardware and software. In the computer world, hardware and software are so common terms. The following are some of the other interpretation of these words as I think they apply to our lives. Now, hardware is a form that can be seen and touched, while software is spirit and refers to functions which are formless and therefore cannot be seen or cannot be touched. For instance, the hardware of a house is made up of concrete and steel. However, its design provides comfort and visual appeal for the people living within. It fills the home with a lot of warmth and love. Now, this represents its software. Parents give birth to their children and provide them with the hardware of a physical body. How to educate the young to be well learned, courteous, wise, ethical, and independent thinkers is determined by the software. The campus of a university may be large with many buildings and a library filled with numerous publications. But these hardware items must be complemented by a good faculty, school spirit, student excellence, academic research, and interaction between students and faculty in order for the university to become a famous, distinguished institution. A hospital may contain high-tech instruments and the facilities within its modern infrastructure, but its reputation hinges on the quality of the skills and ethics of its medical staff. Highways may be wide and smooth for cars to travel upon, but they need the installment of software that facilitates an unobstructed network of roads connecting the whole country for safe and comfortable driving. Imported cars like the Mercedes or Rolls-Royce have superb engine and parts. But if the driver does not abide by the traffic laws and he drives recklessly, the lack of good software will fail to bring out the functions and value of the excellent hardware. The software for an airplane or a warship is always more expensive to install than its hardware, because the cost of building that hardware is generally fixed. But the cost of a software, it can be unlimited. Therefore, if people only emphasize hardware installations and do not take software into consideration, the value of the software will inevitably be lowered. A country's economy, defense, transportation, and other installations are its hardware, but democracy, liberty, openness, its courteous, law-abiding, and mutually supportive citizens, I would call them its software. Hardware is the shell and software is the spirit. Hardware is passive and software is active. Hardware is lifeless, software is vital. And because hardware is a physical mass, it can be easy to construct, but it is far more difficult to create a truly wonderful spirit. Hardware requires the support of software in order to function, and software cannot function without the hardware. They complement each other as it happens in a computer, which needs the different components to work with the proper programs in order to operate well. If you are listening to me right now, then let me tell you, each of us contain both the hardware and software. And in order to be a healthy person, we need practical hardware and lively software in order to function best.